Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavre from Gossipfunda. Let us have a look at when the SIM card is not working in an iPhone and the ways to fix it. To solve this problem, you have to go to settings and firstly turn on your airplane mode and turn it off. This will make the SIM card work or get back the network. The second thing that you can do is shut down or switch off your phone and then restart it. Now you can go to the settings, tap on general and go to the about section of your phone. Check the details. Now scroll down to software update, click on it and keep your phone updated to the latest version. Now you can go back to the settings, scroll down to general and scroll to the very end of transfer and reset your iPhone, and you can simply reset to gain the network back.
Thank you for watching the video. Hope that it has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks.
Scroll down to general and scroll to the very end.
Do like, share and subscribe to Gossipfunda. Do not forget to put your query in the comment section below. For more such amazing contents, do visit gossipfunda.com, link in the description.